let me nice. Hi guys. Today will be my first video. I don't really know what to say really. I'm so excited. I've been not dreaming, but I've been wanting to create a YouTube channel for a long time, and well, here I am, finally creating one. I'm very scared. I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna set some milestones. Personally, I'd love to have about 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but I'm not sure. I'd love to, but I guess that will be very hard. 1,000, yeah, I said 1,000 or 100. I don't remember. I don't even think I can get there if I want to be truthful to you. Well, I don't have much more to say. I think my channel will be about things I do and about what I experience in my life. I've done a lot of things. If you want me to talk about those things, you just have to ask me or something. I don't really know. Most of them are random stuff. I've been doing a lot of things throughout my life. Yeah, yes. I don't know much more to say. I'm very interested in a lot of topics. I don't know what my channel will be about. The first videos will probably be some random stuff. I don't know. I just random stuff. I'll be talking about random stuff that I lived in my life and my experiences. My first idea was to call this channel Test Dummy because I've been tested a lot of times. I've tested a lot of things, like if I was a test dummy. But then it struck me that, wait, why don't I call it my name and refill it? Well, yes, that's it. Bye. Bye.